Stop hating on your future employers. These people are going to hire you. They are the most polite people. Even when they are educated, they still work for small jobs that pay nothing. They don't have pride. They know that you have to work to serve and feed your families. That's why they are here. One day, like it almost happened in Cuba when Obama wanted to lift the embargo against Cuba, one day it is going to happen. I pray to the ancestors of the revolution that it happens when I'm still alive, so that I can replay these videos and say, I warned you about harassing your future employers. I warned you about exploiting the people who are going to share their land with you because they've done it before. Why didn't Mugabe take the land immediately? He waited for you to get your freedom. Because had Mugabe take the land immediately, it would have caused a serious problem to a point where South Africa will not be liberated. They were a frontline state. They gave us a passage. They accommodated us. We stayed in their homes. They gave us food. They gave us shelter. They never called us names. Today it's our turn to say thank you. We become animals. It is not the spirit of Ubuntu what you are doing to these comrades of Zimbabwe. Comrades, the white people, the way they control us, we love them and we say they give us jobs. But the way they've made us to hate each other, even if a Nigerian was to come here and create 100,000 jobs.
Yazi kubuhlungu kuzwa amagama afana nalawo ukuthi abantu abazoniqasha kwi-future, abantu abazosiqasha kwi-future abantu abangama-foreigner. Kubuhlungu kuzwa lento leyo because ngathi bosokhuluma you don't consider of abantwana base-South Africa or i-youth ase-South Africa or abantwana basakhula. So wena uthi ku-right ukuthi ingane zethu zi-end up ema-drugsini, uthi vele bazoba ama-future employers wethu because thina sobe singasena-future, thina sobe sesirawunda kakhulu etshwaleni ngathi yonke i-youth iphuza utshwala. I mean, you don't talk for South Africa, ukhulumela i-South Africa. You talk for abantu bakho, angazi why uyenza kanjalo. Kunala khona statement wathi khona eLimpopo bayahlupheka but angeke kuzwa abantu baseLimpopo basuke eLimpopo beze Gauteng. No, labo la amanga amazwe ahluphekayo amaningi ase-Gauteng, even nase KwaZulu Natal iningi labo base-Gauteng. What about ama-foreigner ke? Ukuthi wona abantu abasuka kude west abazanga ngenhloso enhle, hlezi preach into eyi-one, but wena Malema you are enemy of South Africa. You never spoke about South Africa ngento enhle, wakhuluma ukuthi ama-South African improve impilo yabo kumele ayenze kanjani in order ukuthi ama-South Africans avoid i-unemployment, avoid ungena ama-drugsini, avoid ungabi na-future kumele ayenze kanjani. But you always talk about ama-foreigner ukuthi in order ukuthi ama-foreigner abe nempilo engcono kumele thina siwakhrithe kahle. Why wona angasikhrithe kahle as ama-South Africans? Why we must always tolerate ukungcola kwabo, i-disrespect yabo, ukuthukana kwabo? Because every time they are doing ama-video disrespecting us ama-South Africans, especially youth yakhona. If you still vote for this guy, shouldn't now landela umqondo wabo ukuthi okay, it's fine, let country ethi lead to ama-foreign. Khuluma about Obama unama-reason wakhe ukuthi why aphethe i-died in America. Number one, bengekho i-black American president, bengekho i-black president e-America. So ama-reason uyazi that was technical difficulties or manipulation, angazi ngisho kahle. But when ufuna uyenza sure ukuthi amalento le unite e-South Africa, why singayithathi unite lokho sikuyenze le eNigeria, le eMozambique, le eTanzania, le wonke lamakhanda lapha phezulu. You never talk about that thing. You always talk about, hey, South Africa must welcome. Already says so welcoming, but they are disrespecting us. Uyazi kubuhlungu kanjani ukubona izwe la khona abo-O.R. Tambo, abo-Desmond Tutu, abo-Nelson Mandela, wonke ama-leaders from IFP to ANC, ukukhuphukela wonke ama-leaders from 1914 balwela ukuthi kungabi indaba ne-apartheid, kungahlukani, but wena ufuna nje ukuyichitha kanjalo. Ufuna ukuthatha izwe lethu unikeze ama-foreigner ngesandla on the silver platter. Uthini yithi? Uthi sikuthembe kanjani? Do you think you see yourself as a future leader? Ukhuluma amagama every time when you talk, you are against ama-South Africans. Imagine a whole 60 million you are against of them. Uthi wena lezwe leli South Africa kumele kube number one, awuhlali ngisho nase-township. You don't know isihlakile abantu abafisana nase-township. You don't know ukuthi abantu base-township baphila kanjani because uhlele e-estate. You don't know isihlakile ababhekane naso regarding ama-foreign. You never been in job activity uhambe uyothenga. You never been every time in ama-micropolis abagadayo just ukuthi ama-South Africans abe safe, but you yourself ufuna ukuthi abantu bagcwale banukisa izwe lethu. Yazi iJohannesburg yanuka phu nuka iswirishi, nuka ukungcola. Amabhilidi akhona anyeke urente ngisho neli-1, but wena uyabakhulumela. I'm sorry my brother, abantu abaningi bathi leya nge-15 April bathi ungabuyi. Angikhulumi next, but hayi
lo ngathi ikhanda lakhe ngathi sekabhema iCrystal, lo ngathi sekabhema iCrystal. Athi thina abantu base-South Africa, we must stop hating ama future employer wethu. Uthi labantu laba bangaphandle labathengisa ama-drugs, labantu abayenza i-human trafficking, labantu laba ba-corrupt, labantu abatshontsha ama-building labantu laba abakidnapayo ukuthi bazosinika umsebenzi in future. Angani nambona ukuthi iCrystal lenzani? Angani nayibona? Angeke uhlanganise iCrystal neSnafe. Angitheba. Angani nabona ukuthi ubhema ibenzini. That's why mina ngithi abantu abavotela le party ngathi babathele ngevaccine eningi. Ngathi ama-psycho nyana. This guy ubabakhe uphuma ngoba umntana kaShangarai lo, ubabakhe uphuma ngale, and ubabakhe uthi akamfuni umntwana unelimi, ukhuluma kakhulu, ukhuluma amasimba, uthi akamfuni ngale. Ngathi ukuthi lo mntana angafuni. Abantu uphela kanjani? Abantu uphela kanjani ngoba ku-TikTok ngathi uyi-president e-TikTok, all over abantu ba-campaigner for into ezi-right, amavote ayeza la. Wena uyabona phela, uyazibona phela. You see yourself that you are lowering. You are lowering. You see you are lowering. So usele ngekhanda nale limi elikhuluma kakhulu. Into yazi ukukhuluma umbhedo. Ama-foreigner izinto ezi-snacks. Nalo nama-RDP 800 lapha abantu abangapha bethu. Abana bahlala emikhukhwini ama-squatter camp la. Bheke Alexander injani. But mawufanele ume lapha ukhuluma into ezi-constructive. Ukhuluma umbhedo nje. Akunanto eserious ukhuluma umbhedo. And balokhu bakusupporta for lento ekhulumayo. Malokhu bayakusupport. Sinama-case serious lawo ufanele uyawathageta ngoba ama-vote now. Into yaziyo nje ukhuluma umbhedo nje, into ukhuluma umbhedo nje. Bheke iSouth Africa ibole kanjani? I-Hillbrow ibheke i-Hillbrow imoshekile. Rotationville lapha kugcwele labantu laba bagcwele. We don't promote what le yabo mari. These people fanele bangene kahle la. Why bazogqwala la? Kanti la bagqwala la because of people like you. Into yazi ukukhuluma and what awungitshela uphephanini wena kahle kahle mawulokhu ubhizi urasa what uyakhona nje ukuthi ukukhumula iskipa esincane nje lesi esincane iskipa uthi isikhinde esincane ukongena ngale. Umama abuya ejabule ngoba yakhuluma wabuwa man, wabuwa ntate. Wena uhlala papa ku TikTok papa ukohlala nomama lapha ukothatha 3 months ukoyidelete TikTok uzoyivusa apha ukohlala lapha umama kabe pregnant ngoba hayi khona yo. Hey, wabua yong. Tsara. Pere. Angazi ukuthi yini ofuna ukuyi-achieve. What do you want to achieve? What do you want to achieve? And tell us so that maybe we can be able to assist you. What do you want to achieve? Ufuna uku-achieve ani ukhuluma kangaka? Hey, uvela ngapha uwe emateksini uwe what endoda akuphuza impeso ukungene ngale ngoba vele nina ngathi hayi vuki ngapha ni right ngoba uyazi ukuthi mawufika endlini ngokhuluma uthini ngoba kumele lapha bakumele intangakho kumele lapha ugcwele all over la after that nasin hey Satan
Bokwenye iclip la uzilomjida ngoba sebengaphakathi already abenze basale sebenzela amaphepha bonke abantu abasemazweni angaphandle abase South Africa abangenawo amaphepha basale sebenzelwa ngoba sebengaphakathi. Bafethu anesikhathi sokudlala nini nesikhathi sokudlala nini akukho lutho ke la akukho lutho wobuka ngokuthi kuqale kuqhela abantu obukade uvuka nabo ubuvuka nabo beqale kuwena osalweni okwamaphapha akukho lutho la kahleni madoda uyazizwa lo mjito uthini.
Beautiful sisters and my wonderful brothers, basemzansi, I hope ni right. So akalani sikhulume. Doesn't it bother you or concern you how nonchalant is the government and the ruling party about the seriousness of the issue that the subject illegal immigrants has gotten in our country? What are they waiting for? For some reason, I was waiting for the family meeting after the Cape Town, but I can see that they are okay with ignoring us as if there is nothing that is happening. Is it because they know that we're just going to be yep and doing nothing? Is it because they think this is just going to die down? Or they are okay with moving our focus from something bigger that they are dealing with, which they think we do not know, which we do know. There's few things that are supposed to have happened here. So this is the process. The process is green paper, white paper, bill, and law. All those things were going to have us at the moment where all of us are now stable. We understand what is actually happening, and everyone would have had their bags packed going back home so that they don't cause all this noise that is happening, which is continuing to divide us, which is continuing to breed animosity, which is not necessary, because this is exactly what is happening. What we're going to do is that we are going to be joining March and March. We're going to make sure we're going to mobilize ourselves, and we will make the message very clear that we want these people gone. And the government cannot come when it knows when to apply the law, only when they are protecting their interests, since we know that their interests have nothing to do with what South Africans want. Their interest is their pockets, their interest is their external relationships, and their interest is just self and not us. So guys, I'm here to say we're not going to allow siwuZulu nathi la. We're not going to allow uZulu from KZN to come and fill the space when we are all waiting to see the post and doing that. I want us to be on our techies and be on our comfortable clothing. We're going to go to the CBD of Johannesburg and we're going to go to Tshwane together. We're going to join them. Is it really impossible for us to make sure that at least every household has a person that is coming out of it to go and join this march? Because we have to make the statement so clear. It's now or never. And I promise you, should we fail to deliver South Africa at this point, they will never take us serious again. And it needs us. So when they come from that side, all of us as South Africans, let us go there and make sure that we leave that Berea, we leave that Hillbrow, that Yeoville, that Rosettenville, and all the places that are invaded by people who have got no respect, no regard of our lives, of our children and everything. And we send the message clear. The government is supposed to be doing that. I also want to ask, guys, the artists, don't think we don't see, as everyone keeps asking, where are you guys? We will remind you. We will remind you. And the church also. The church. We can't be doing this by ourselves, because the church is made out of us. The artists are made because of us. So we're supposed to be doing this together, because you are also affected directly. So you can't make us as if we are the crazy ones that have got absolutely nothing to do when we are fixing the country for everyone. Also, I am pleading with the AD Blof and Onse Himmel, and it sounds the call to come together. Guys, when the march is happening, we also need you in front. You cannot choose how to participate when they move that is making so much sense, because only then, when we are really united, they will realize how serious this is. I am really, I don't know, I've gotten to a point of not being shocked by how the ruling party and which is the government is taking this issue. They are so nonchalant. It's like, it's like but let them go and see. And they're gonna see us. We're gonna be there. We're going to be marching. And yes, it is a peaceful march. We just don't, we're not going to allow to still be bullied when we are marching on our streets by people who should not be on our streets. Did you hear that? We don't want to be interrupted by people who should not be on our streets when we are marching on our streets for our country that demands the attention of people who are going to fight for it. Motherland South Africa depends on us, and we are here for generations coming. See you on the announced dates that are coming. We are with them. All my family, because I've got family in every hostel, I know that we're going to be going there in numbers, so people will see exactly that we mean business. Malibuye, izwe lethu. South Africa, izwe lethu. See you on the march.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. There's a video of Julius Malema that resurfaced lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana la khuluma khona ngebantu bokufika la South Africa athi we must stop disrespecting them, we must stop chasing them away, because labantu laba ngibo labantu esicasha, ngibo laba lethini sitosebenza kubo, because they are the most polite people and they are hardworking. Abantu abaningi abazange bayijabulele le nkulumo ya Julius Malema. Abantu abaningi ngiyasenge ukuthi siya understand why bamela kangaka. Some people are even saying ukuthi Nkosi yami, uMalema is the weapon formed against a better South Africa, because why is he always defending ma foreigners? Since abayekhe defend ama foreigners, kuyakhombisa ukuthi akusiya nyalo, because this is an old video, but now kuphela uyasho ukuthi thine ma South Africans siyosebenza kuwo ma foreigner. Nkosi yami, cry my beloved country. People are saying ukuthi uright mara umahlafuna, because tindathi khuluma ndlela wa defender ngakhona ma foreigners, it really doesn't make sense. Noma kuthiwa umuntu yamdefender, but kangaka phona it's giving, you are being paid to protect them, it's giving usebenza now my foreigners, because why are you defending them this much? If you're not gaining anything from them or benefiting anything from them, why but defender ngale ndlela kuyasolisa, or it's giving sandla semfene? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.